extreme rain with flash flood warnings here in New York. Still fun. Ooh, lake. There's a lake over there. There's a river over there. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Yep, still fun. Come on, bro, you can handle this corner at like 100 miles an hour. I don't want to eat my words and run into the fuzz. But yeah, that was, I mean, minimal traction loss, almost wide open throttle, pretty decently high RPMs. You're not going to go crazy in the rain, but you can have a good time. There was this really good motorcycle book I read, and actually also a course I took, that talked about just having total points of traction. Like say you normally have 10 points of traction for full traction, and then in the rain that's just reduced by, you know, 2 or 3 points, etc. Like for example, if you're going on a corner, you just gotta take it a little bit easier, just a few points of traction easier in the rain. But yeah, I do plan on daily driving this even in the winter time. If I know that there's going to be a storm, like a snowstorm, obviously I'm not going to take it out. We also have an SUV. I'll probably just take that if I have to go out. But this car does have a weather mode. If you just hit this button a few times, it's the third option there, weather mode. Kind of takes the edge off, loosens up the suspension, the steering, and it's a noticeable cut in the acceleration force. Just smooths out the gas pedal a little bit more. We, however, are going to put it back in sport mode. That's how we do, ladies and gentlemen. You know that. You already know. Yeah, because seriously, why would I not want to hear this sound all year long? Feel this sweet Alcantara steering wheel with these 10 and 2 notches, looking down at the Cobra all year long. Got your nice seat heaters on, seat heaters, seat coolers for summertime. It's all you need. A wide open road in front, even if it's covered in rain. It's all we need, ladies and gentlemen. Always a dude or dudette in front of me. Why? It's time for my pills. I take my pills through my ears. They're called Mustang Pills. Know what I mean? Time for a dose of medicine. we had one twisty. So you can still have fun in the rain. Unless you get a twisty blocking Prius. Come on, dude, I'd be shredding these corners even if I was in a Prius. I'll stay back and give him his space. No need to give anybody anxiety. Do a 40-mile-an-hour hard stop here. Awesome. Not even a skid there. Hard stop. Freaking awesome. Brakes are so awesome in this car, even on wet roads.
But the Lord does not receive them. Now he will remember their iniquity and punish their sins.
Oh!
They shall...
Brakes in the rain. Awesome GT350 brakes in the rain. Hope that Van True captured that. Thank God. Praise Jesus. I almost just got my car smashed in by a couple of deer. Wow. Good example of having fun in the GT350 in the rain. The massive brakes bring you to a stop. Massive tires provide grip. Good times.
But the Lord does not receive them. Now he will remember their iniquity and punish their sins.
Oh!
They shall... Now he will remember their iniquity and punish their sins.
I've got to go change me shorts, I do. Almost got into a little kerfuffle with them deer. You know what I mean? Kerfuffle. All right, little bit of rain, 62 degrees. Nothing crazy, just have fun. Good fun. 5.7 seconds. Good fun, guys, good fun. Now, will I do this in the winter time? Probably. Yeah. Hell yeah, that's fun. Ah, one more. One more. Maybe two more. There we go. Oh yeah, sideways, biatch. Yeah, that's fun. Hey, 5.6. Maybe if I wasn't sideways half the time, I would have gotten better. We'll do one more. Just one. Man, I love Mexico this time of year. Good times. All right, last one this time. I promise. And that's fun. 5.6. Did I only say that there was going to be one more? Because I thought I said three more. I can't remember. My memory is just not what it used to not be. But let's do one more just to be safe. Just to show that you can have fun, ladies and gentlemen, in the rain, in a GT350, at least at 62 degrees. Oh, that is fun. That is so fun. I can't keep my foot. I can't go lighter on the pedal. It's just once it starts going sideways, it's too much fun. If I were trying to break any records today, which I would never do at 62 degrees in the rain, I would definitely modulate the throttle more, come off the throttle a lot more, just to avoid that initial spin. But when you go sideways, it is so much fun. All right, guys, hope this shows you that you can daily drive a GT350. I am going to be updating this in the winter time because I do plan on daily driving the heck out of the car all year. Yeah, good times. Just like I did with the 2018 Mustang GT and all my sports cars, you know, before this. Daily drive. This car is so much fun. Just like the Mustang GT was, just like my STI was. I gotta say I'm having more fun in the Mustangs, guys. But I can't wait to see what the 2020 STI is gonna look like, and more importantly, be like in terms of engine power. Extreme rain with flash flood warnings here in New York. Still fun. Okay, so pretty heavy rain. Would I be any better off right now in an SUV or an all-wheel drive? No. I'm in a GT350 and I get to hear my sounds. I get to accelerate. Accelerate. I just arbitrarily made up the most awesome word of all time. Accelerate. I get to accelerate, although at a reduced amount of traction. You got to be smart about it. You can't be going crazy here. That's why they have a weather mode in this, which I am not in. I am in sport mode. I get to, you know, feel every bit of the road with the MagnaRide on in sport mode. Feel the steering wheel, look down at the snake or the horse, whatever you have. Hear those burbles in the exhaust. Why would I want to be in an SUV or, you know, some all-wheel drive or some other, you know, better equipped for weather car right now? Yes, when it's snowing, sure, you're better off in like an SUV or something with a all-wheel drive, without a doubt. But how many days out of the year am I going to be caught up in the snow? Maybe one? And if I do, if I'm at work and it's unexpectedly snows, you know what? I'll just take an Uber. Or I'll just drive very carefully. I've been driving sports cars in the snow in the Northeast for many years, my friends. I mean, if I could afford a Lambo, God willing, I can someday. If you guys keep hitting the likes and keep hitting the subscribes and keep clicking on the ads, I will daily drive that Lambo too. Why I call this the Autobahn of New York. Did I just say New York? I meant Mexico. So this concludes my can you drive a Shelby GT350 in the rain and still have fun? And the answer is yes. Because no matter what the weather is, I still want to have awesome. Now, does that mean you can be irresponsible and forget about things like hydroplaning and things like that? No, of course not. You got to be smart. You know, you got to know your surroundings, know where you're driving. If there's any places that, I mean, if it's a torrential downpour, obviously you want to ease up. That doesn't mean you still can't have fun, though. That doesn't mean you can't still hear the sounds like that. Feel the feelings, like the nice tight suspension. You know, feel the steering wheel in your hands, feel every bump in the steering wheel and in your butt. doesn't mean you can't, enjoy that visceral sports car experience. But you just got to dial it back a little bit. Be smart about it. Don't hurt anybody else or yourself, of course. I will update this in wintertime. Obviously, I'm on summer tires, so as it gets cooler, the traction's going to be a lot worse. And as I mentioned, I'm not planning on getting winter tires, at least this year. So I will do this, we'll do an update, especially if I get caught in the snow. You know what, I'll probably take it out in the snow, light snow, just to test her out in weather mode. I'll review it. Yeah, guys, share your thoughts. Do you guys daily drive your Mustangs, or do you tuck them away for the winter? Let me know in the comments. All right, until next time, always be kinder than necessary. See ya. There's a nice little M4. Am I gonna let that M4 pass me? No. Let's get going here. Let's get this little MDX out of my way. Got to catch up to the M4. I cannot be having an M4 showing me up in the rain. Okay? I can't do it. I won't do it. Oh, the M4 did get over appropriately. That's right, son. That's right. You make room for daddy. You make room for dada. That's right. Nice car, though. What's up, dude? His M4 probably automatically pulled over, despite him not wanting to, out of respect for the Shelby. Mustang coming through.